Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups that come from the site ctlp01.com. These pop-ups by ctlp01.com are malicious because they actually promote certain potentially unwanted software. These pop-ups may display pretty scary information about your computer in order to force you into downloading that potentially unwanted software. I'm not going to mention its name, but I've made the research of that program and I've came to the conclusion that it only tries to force users into registering its licensed version. It does not even show the results of the scan. So, speaking about these pop-ups by ctlp01.com, don't trust these pop-ups. If any potentially unwanted programs were mistakenly installed into your computer, check the list of programs and uninstall any items that might be suspicious. If you find some suspicious programs that are not familiar to you, get rid of them. I would also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page, the official website, combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.